Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit on Betway. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser in any search bar. Type in betway.com. Once you type it in, press enter, then you will get to this website. Now on this website, you'll have to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this link where it says register. Once you have the account, enter your credentials and click on this login button. So put into your credentials on these boxes. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link where it says forgot password to reset it. Once you have entered the details, click on this login button. Then you will be logged into your account. Now once you're on the home page, click on your profile at the top right corner. Then this menu will open up. Now on this menu, click on this option where it says deposit. Then another menu will open up. On this menu, you can choose your deposit method. Either use Skrill, One Tap, PayZ, card or network. You can choose any one from this. I'll just click on cards. Once you choose one of these options, you will have to enter the amount to deposit. I'll just select $50, then click on this next button. Now they will ask you to enter your card details. So enter your details on these boxes. Then click on this deposit button. Once you do so, the amount will be deposited into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.